Hey there, wanted to show you all something else of what we did, and that had to do with purchasing another latch. So basically I wanted all the latches to have the same keying, and this one used to have, you know, one of these keyed latches here, one of the thumb latches, but it was a keyed one. So if you notice now, basically these are two thumb latches, and then now we have a Bauer slam latch that is keyed exactly like the ones that are in the front of the trailer. So what I did was I reached out to Bauer because I couldn't find this particular one on their website, and so I gave them a call, and somebody got back in touch with me via email. And so we just went back and forth, sent them a picture, and they're like, oh yeah, that's one that's, you know, specifically made for the trailer. You can buy those. So bought a couple of them. And so my plan was this back storage and then around the other side. So I'll show you what I did over there. Okay, so the plan was to install another one of the slam latches on this side where the grill and refrigerator are. However, the size of that, this doesn't fit far enough back in. I couldn't quite do it. So I noticed this side had one of those thumb latches, matched the other side. I mean, because you know they're so easy. You just unscrew this off, and you can move them. So that's what I did. Since I couldn't use the actual latch over here that I wanted to, basically just took the thumb latch that was up here or down at the bottom, whichever one it was, took it to the other side. That way now then this area is keyed. I only have one key that I know works right here. And then the rest of the keys, you know, works the rest of the front two, and then the one on the back. So there you go, quick tip. Just reach out to your supplier and you can get those and get everything that matches up. So installation of these are actually pretty easy. You have these 4 screws, and it just cuts basically kind of this outer edge. You know, what you see on this flange, you're just going to cut a hole in your storage door. You know, measure one of your previous ones. But yeah, this, I mean, this thickness, all it is styrofoam. It's a piece of styrofoam, very similar to the installation of the door lock. You notice, you know, when I cut through that one, it is literally, it's you know, just whatever, this thin sheet over some styrofoam. But this really secured up, you know, real nice, sucked in real tight on the edge with the screws. Works real well. So it's very easy install. It's basically just take your measurements. Actually, what I did was there's a piece of felt that is right underneath this, and I actually took that off, put it on the door where I needed it, and then drew my line so I knew exactly where to cut, and it worked well. So anyway, like I said, just contact your manufacturer and you can make this happen pretty easily if this is something that you want to do. But anyway, it's what we did. Thanks.